Hi, TCS is all set to kick off the Q4 earnings season, and I would be taking you through the Q4 expectations for TCS. In fact, TCS revenue growth is seen at $59.86 million, which is a growth of nearly around 5% quarter on quarter in dollar terms. In fact, in constant currency terms, TCS is likely to clock in a growth of nearly around 4.3% quarter on quarter. Expect an industry-leading growth by TCS, and revenue growth is likely to be aided by the ramp up in the Postbank deal as well as the Prudential Financial deals. We should be also watching out for the management commentary for TCS. In fact, the last quarter management remained fairly confident to clock in a double-digit growth for FY22. So watch out for the management commentary here in terms of the overall deal pipeline, in terms of the overall revenue growth, and also the impact of the recent resurgence of COVID cases, its impact on clients' business outlook as well. On the EBIT margin front, well, there has been good amount of wage hikes given by TCS. So yes, there should be some amount of impact in terms of the EBIT margin. However, EBIT margin is seen flat at nearly down 26.6% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Higher offshoring as well as improved utilization should be offsetting some amount of impact in terms of the wage hikes. Also, momentum is likely to continue in terms of the deal fronts aided by core transformation as well as digital deals. If you look at the EBIT, it's likely at 11,600 odd crore, as well as the profit is seen at 9265 crore. We should be watching out for the management commentary overall in terms of the outlook on the revenue growth, especially the growth expectations in terms of the various verticals, especially the BFSI as well as the CPG vertical. Also the manufacturing vertical. The commentary in terms of the client's budget would be fairly important overall, as well as the amount of spending that the clients are likely to undertake. With the resurgence of COVID cases, it is likely that more spending is done by clients, and hence the overall outlook here would be fairly important. The TCV of deals would be important. It's seen at anywhere around $6 billion. Commentary on the pricing, deal closures and deal pipeline. The commentary in terms of the salary hikes for FY22 and its impact on the EBIT margin, as well as any supply side issues that TCS is facing, and the commentary on attrition would be another factor to be watched out for. Well, most of the analysts remain fairly bullish on the TCS, and quite a few of the analysts do have a target price of anywhere around 3,700 rupees per share. TCS stock did hit 52-week high just on 9th of April itself, and it has clocked in a growth of nearly around a return of nearly around 88% in the last 1 year, and the stock trades at close to around 28x FY23 PE. So yes, watch out for TCS. It's likely to post in a very good quarter, and management commentary in terms of the outlook would be fairly important.